My main motivation around solar was certainly, seeing the changes with technology becoming far more affordable, the tax breaks that were potentially changing, and recognizing the financial advantage it would potentially give me. I would say the process was great. The installation team, fantastic. They did great work. They were quick. They were professional and very respectful. In this COVID environment, I would rate the process very highly, both from communication, professionalism, and quality was all top notch. I would certainly highly recommend solar to anyone, but I would also recommend Solar Tops as a provider based on my experience. Certainly a satisfied customer on this end.